which is homopolar motor.
So what things that we need for this experiment?
Do you want to know?
Yes.
So, let's get started. So now, I will explain to you how does homopolar motor work. Okay, first of all, let me take this wire and then, okay. So we know that our battery is attached to the magnet. The negative terminal is at the top, meanwhile the positive terminal is at the bottom, which is attached to the magnet. Current flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal, so the current will keep going on flow. Meanwhile, the magnet, we know that when we use the right hand rule to determine the direction of the magnetic field, we know that the circular shape of the magnet make the magnetic field is strong at the center of the magnet. So we know that the direction of the magnetic field is perpendicular to the current. Okay, when we use the left hand rule, current is pointed downward. Meanwhile, the magnetic field is perpendicular to the current. As you can see, F, B, I. And then when we point the current downward, meanwhile the magnetic field is perpendicular to it, we know that the force is pointed to the right. So when we test with the wire, we can see that the wire move to the right. So that is how homopolar motor work.
What is Lorentz force? Lorentz force is the force exerted on a charged particle moving through an electric and magnetic field. Lorentz force has a direction perpendicular to both the movement of the charged particle and magnetic field. Why use neodymium magnet? Neodymium magnet has high magnetic field capable of lifting 1,000 times its own weight.
The conclusion is the battery, copper wire, and magnets form an electric circuit. The magnetic field and the electric current made by the magnet and battery are what cause the wire to rotate.